káàbọ̀ sí orí Ilé Ẹ̀kọ́ TV. On this channel, we learn about the Yoruba culture and language. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button and the link below. Thank you very much, and let's get started. Today, we're going to do a revision of all the things we've learned on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Are you ready for the next challenge? Well, it's test day tomorrow. If you pass, you get a certificate and move on to the next stage, which is stage 3. Well done for getting through stage 1, stage 2, and about to go into stage 3. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín, ẹ kúṣẹ́ takuntakun tẹ́ ti ṣe láti ọjọ́ tẹ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá títí di ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí. A dẹ̀ look forward pé ẹ máa bá pẹ̀lú wa títí di ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. Bẹ́ ṣe mọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá àní ilé ẹ̀kọ́, I like láti jó, and as always, we will start with a bit of dance. Appreciation. Mo dúpẹ́ oníbùwọ̀rẹ́ bàbá gbọpẹ́ mi. Appreciation. Mo dúpẹ́ oníbùwọ̀rẹ́ bàbá gbọpẹ́ mi. Appreciation. Ṣé gbádùn ijó yẹn o? Èmi gbádùn ẹ̀ gan-an o. Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí, a kọ́ nípa ilé mi, my house. A kọ́ nípa ilé mi, my house. Ilé is house, mine is èmi. And ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí, a kọ́ nípa àwọn nǹkan tó wà ní ìta ilé. Like the roof of a house, òrùlé. The roof of a house, òrùlé. Window, fèrèsé. Window, fèrèsé. Door, ilẹ̀kùn. Door, ilẹ̀kùn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún jọ ṣe o. My house, ilé mi. My house, ilé mi. House is ilé, mine is èmi. Àǹtí lẹ̀ máa ń rí ní ìta ilé. Roof, òrùlé. Window, fèrèsé. Window, fèrèsé. Door, ilẹ̀kùn. Door, ilẹ̀kùn. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà, a tún wo the different parts of a house. Different parts of a house. So the different parts of ilé. For example, ibi ìjókòó. Ibi ìjókòó, the sitting room. Yàrá, bedroom. Garden, ẹ̀yìnkùlé. Balùwẹ̀, bathroom. Kitchen, ibi ìdáná. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún sọ o. Ibi ìjókòó, sitting room. Bedroom, yàrá. Bedroom, yàrá. Garden, ẹ̀yìnkùlé or backyard. Garden or backyard, ẹ̀yìnkùlé. Bathroom, balùwẹ̀. Bathroom, balùwẹ̀. Kitchen, ibi ìdáná. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà, ní ọjọ́ Monday, a sọ̀rọ̀ nípa sitting room, ibi ìjókòó. A dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa the things that we do in the sitting room. For example, the activities we carry out in the sitting room. For example, ní àpẹẹrẹ, ẹbí mi ń jó. Ẹbí mi ń jó. Ẹbí mi ń jó. Remember from last week, we said ẹbí is family. Jó is dance. That's one of the activities we do in the living room. Ẹbí mi ń jó. We dance in the living room. Obìnrin wo television. Obìnrin wo television. If you remember from last week as well, we said a girl is obìnrin. Television is television. Other activity within the living room is ọkùnrin ka ìwé. Ọkùnrin ka ìwé. A boy is reading a book. Ọkùnrin is boy. Book is ìwé. Ọkùnrin is boy. Book is ìwé. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. A tún kọ pé ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. Ọmọ is baby. Ṣeré is play. Pẹ̀lú is with. Lego is the same word as it is in English. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún tún sọ o. The activities we do in the living room, for example, are ẹbí mi ń jó. Ẹbí is family. Jó is dance. Obìnrin ń wo tẹlifíṣàn. Obìnrin ń wo tẹlifíṣàn. That means a girl is watching television. Ọkùnrin ń ka ìwé. Ọkùnrin ń ka ìwé. A boy is reading a book. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. The baby is playing with Lego. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà, we learnt about some of the verbs of the activities that we do in the living room. For example, jó, dance. Jó, dance. Jó, dance. Wò, watch. Wò, watch. Wò, watch. Kà, read. Kà, read. Ṣeré, play. Ṣeré, play. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún tún sọ o. Wò, jó, dance. Jó, dance. Wò is watch. Wò is watch. Kà is read. Kà is read. Ṣeré is play. Ṣeré is play. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. A tún kọ́ nípa nǹkan tá a máa ń rí nínú ibi ìjókòó. For example, ìwé selfie. Ìwé selfie, that's bookshelf. Photo. Photo, that's the picture on the wall. Photo. Tìmùtìmù, that's the cushion on the armchairs. Tìmùtìmù, cushion on the armchairs. Aago, wall clock. Aago, wall clock. Àtùpà. Àtùpà, that's a lampstand. Television. Television, television. Ìjókòó, that's an armchair. Ìjókòó, an armchair. Tábìlì coffee, that's a coffee table. Tábìlì coffee, that's a coffee table. Ẹ jẹ́ á tún tún sọ o. Ìwé selfie. Ìwé selfie, that's a bookshelf. You find a bookshelf in the living room. Photo, that's a picture you find on the wall. Tìmùtìmù, ṣé ẹ rántí nǹkan tá à ń pè ní tìmùtìmù? That's a cushion. Aago, a wall clock. Aago, a wall clock. Àtùpà, as a lampstand. Àtùpà, a lampstand. Television. Television, that's a television. Ìjókòó. Ìjókòó, that's an armchair. Ìjókòó, that's an armchair. Tábìlì coffee, table coffee, coffee table. Tábìlì coffee, tábìlì coffee, coffee table. Ó yẹ ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín. Mo lérò pé ẹ rántí gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Next place we are going to is yàrá. We're going to talk about yàrá, that's the bedroom. Ní yàrá, kí la máa ń ṣe nínú yàrá? What are the activities we do in the room? The first one is obìnrin ti jí. Obìnrin ti jí. Ṣé ẹ rántí ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá, a sọ pé a girl is obìnrin, G is wake. Obìnrin ti jí, a girl is woken up. Obìnrin ń wọ aṣọ. Again, obìnrin is girl. Aṣọ is clothes. So obìnrin ń wọ aṣọ means the girl is wearing her clothes. Ọkùnrin ń bọ́ aṣọ. Ọkùnrin is a boy. Ọkùnrin is a boy. And also remember that aṣọ is clothes. So ọkùnrin ń bọ́ aṣọ means the boy is taking off his clothes. Bọ́, it means taking off. Or to take off. Ìyá ń ka ìwé sí ọmọ. Tẹ́ bá rántí ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá náà, a sọ pé mother is ìyá. Ìwé is book. Ọmọ is baby. So if you put those words together, tá bá pe àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn papọ̀, means ìyá ń ka ìwé sí ọmọ. A mother is reading a book to a baby. Ìyá, mother, ka, read. Ìwé, book, sí, to, ọmọ, baby. Ọkùnrin sùn. Again, remember, a boy is ọkùnrin sùn, means sleep. Ọkùnrin sùn. Ọkùnrin sùn. Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ á tún sọ o. Obìnrin ti jí. The girl has woken up. Obìnrin ń wọ aṣọ. A girl is wearing her clothes. Ọkùnrin ń bọ́ aṣọ. A boy is taking off his clothes. Ìyá ń ka ìwé sí ọmọ. A mother is reading a book to a baby. Ọkùnrin ń sùn. A boy is sleeping. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. Now we're going to go to the verbs of what we see, things we see in the verbs that describe the things we do in the room. Jí, awake. Jí, awake. Jí, awake. Wọ̀, wọ̀. Wear, wọ̀. Ó ń wọ̀, wear. Wọ̀, wear. Bọ́ is take off. Bọ́, take off. Kà, read. Kà, read. Sùn, sleep. Sùn, sleep. Sùn, sleep. Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ á túnṣe o. Jí, awake. Jí, awake. Wọ̀, that's wear. Wọ̀, wear. Bọ́, take off. Bọ́, take off. Kà, read. Kà, read. Sùn, sleep. Sùn, sleep. Sùn, sleep. Mo lérò pé ẹ gba gbogbo nǹkan tá a kọ́ yẹn o. Now we're going to go to the things we see in the room. Àwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń rí nínú yàrá. A kọ́ pé a máa ń rí àtùpà. That is a table lamp. Aṣọ ìbora, that's a duvet that you use to cover yourself. Tìmùtìmù, that's, remember from the living room, sometimes we find a cushion in the bedroom as well. Ẹní, that's a mat that you find in your room. Ìrọ̀rí, that's a pillow. Ìrọ̀rí, pillow. Ẹ̀ṣọ́, that's a wardrobe. Ẹ̀ṣọ́, wardrobe. Àpótí ìṣeré, that's a toy box. Àpótí is box. Ìṣeré is play. Remember we said ṣeré is play. So ìṣeré is àpótí ìṣeré. Put that together is toy box. Ibùsùn, that's the bed. Ibùsùn, that's the bed. So again, what does Becky have in her room? She has àtùpà, that's a lamp. She has aṣọ ìbora, which is a duvet. Tìmùtìmù, that's a cushion. Ẹní, that's a mat. Ìrọ̀rí, that's a pillow. Ẹ̀ṣọ́, that's a cupboard where she puts her clothes. Àpótí ìṣeré and ibùsùn. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. Now, a tún wo ní wíìkì yìí, ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí, a tún wo ibì kan náà tó wà nínú ilé tó ń jẹ́ balùwẹ̀, the bathroom. The bathroom. So when Gbegi is in the bathroom, what does she do? She does the following in the bathroom. Obìnrin fọyín, that's you wash your teeth. Obìnrin, that's a girl. Wash. Eyín, teeth. Obìnrin, girl. Wash. Eyín, teeth. Ọkùnrin yàgbẹ́ or obìnrin tọ̀. Ọkùnrin yàgbẹ́ means a boy is pooing. Obìnrin tọ̀ means a girl is peeing. Ó ń fọwọ́ ẹ̀, that means wash your hands. Remember to wash your hands. Ó ń fọwọ́ ẹ̀, remember to wash your hands. As good boys and girls, you always wash your hands after using the bathroom. ó ń nu ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Ó ń nu ọwọ́ ẹ̀. That means you are cleaning your hand with a dry cloth. Ó ń nu ọwọ́ ẹ̀. That means you are cleaning your hand with a dry cloth. Ẹ jẹ́ á tún sọ o. Ní balùwẹ̀, obìnrin ń fọ eyín. Obìnrin ń fọ eyín. Ọkùnrin ń yàgbẹ́ or obìnrin ń tọ̀, which means a boy is pooing or a girl is peeing. You can also say obìnrin ń yàgbẹ́. That means a girl is pooing. Ọkùnrin ń tọ̀. That means a boy is peeing. Ó ń fọwọ́ ẹ̀. That means washing your hands after using the bathroom. As good boys and girls, you always do that. You wash your hands after using the bathroom. And then after washing your hands, you clean your hands. Ó ń nu ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Ó ń nu ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Ó ń nu ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Now, we also learned ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí, a kọ́ nípa àwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń ṣe nínú balùwẹ̀. Ọkùnrin ń wẹ̀. Ọkùnrin ń wẹ̀. Ọkùnrin ń wẹ̀. That means the boy is having his bath. The boy is having his bath. And now we also looked at the different body parts of a boy ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí. So ẹ jẹ́ ká wo nǹkan tá a kọ́ o. Imú, that's nose. Imú, that's nose. Etí, that's ear. Etí, that's ear. Irun, hair. Irun, hair. Ojú, eyes. Ojú, eyes. Ẹnu, mouth. Ẹnu, mouth. Ọrùn, neck. Ọrùn, neck. Eyín, teeth. Eyín, teeth. Ọwọ́, hand. Ọwọ́, hand. Ìdí, bum. Ìdí, bum. Ikùn, tummy. Ikùn, tummy. Èjìká, shoulder. Èjìká, shoulder. Àyà, chest. Àyà, chest. Orókún, knee. Orókún, knee. Ìka, fingers. Ìka, fingers. Itan, thigh. Itan, thigh. Ẹsẹ̀, feet. Ẹsẹ̀, feet. Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká tún ṣe o. A ní nínú balùwẹ̀, ọkùnrin máa ń ṣe kí ni? Ọkùnrin máa ń wẹ̀. And ẹ tún wo all the different parts of a boy, starting with imú. Imú, nose. Etí, ear. Irun, hair. Ojú, eyes. Ẹnu, mouth. Ọrùn, neck. Eyín, teeth. Ọwọ́, hand. Ìdí, bum. Ikùn, tummy. Èjìká, elbow. Àyà, chest. Orókún, that's knee. Ìka, finger. Itan, thigh. Ẹsẹ̀, feet. Ẹ kúṣẹ́ o. A dẹ̀ tún sọ pé nínú balùwẹ̀, we learn the following verbs. Wẹ̀, bath. Wẹ̀, bath. Fọ̀, wash. Fọ̀, wash. Yàgbẹ́, poo. Tọ̀, pee. Nù, wipe. Nù, wipe. Kí làwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń rí nínú balùwẹ̀? Kí làwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń rí nínú balùwẹ̀? Àbí kí làwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń ṣe nínú balùwẹ̀? Again, wẹ̀, bath. Fọ̀, wash. Yàgbẹ́, poo. Tọ̀, pee. Nù, wipe. Ẹ kúṣẹ́ o. So ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà, a tún wo àwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń rí nínú balùwẹ̀. Garawa. Garawa. Garawa, bucket. Garawa, bucket. Ìfọyín, toothbrush. Ìfọyín, toothbrush. Kànkàn, sponge. Kànkàn, sponge. Ọṣẹ ìfọyín, toothpaste. Ọṣẹ ìfọyín, toothpaste. Soap, ọṣẹ. Soap, ọṣẹ. Aṣọ ìnura, that's towel. Aṣọ ìnura, towel. Ìkọ́lé, that's dustbin. Ìkọ́lé, dustbin. Dígí, mirror. Dígí, mirror. Mirror ta fi máa ń wora wa bóyá a look fine. Tá bá fi ń wora bóyá I look very, very pretty and handsome as good boys and girls. Now let's go over it again. Garawa, bucket. Garawa, bucket. Ìfọyín, toothbrush. Ìfọyín, toothbrush. Kànkàn, sponge. Kànkàn, sponge. Ọṣẹ ìfọyín, that's toothpaste. Ọṣẹ ìfọyín, toothpaste. Ọṣẹ, that's soap. Ọṣẹ, soap. Aṣọ ìnura, that's towel. Aṣọ ìnura, that's towel. Ìkọ́lé, that is dustbin. Ìkọ́lé, that's dustbin. Dígí, that's mirror. Dígí, that's mirror. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Now a tún lọ síbi nǹkan tá tún kọ́ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí o, which is the kitchen. Ibi ìdáná. Kitchen, ibi ìdáná. Kí la máa ń ṣe ní kitchen o? What are the activities we do in the kitchen? Wọ́n ń ṣe oúnjẹ. Wọ́n ń se oúnjẹ. Wọ́n ń se oúnjẹ, that means they are cooking. What other things do they do in the kitchen? Wọ́n ń gé carrots, that means they're cutting carrots. Wọ́n ń gé carrots, that means they're cutting carrots. Wọ́n ń jẹun, that means they're eating in the dining. Wọ́n ń jẹun, that's another thing you do in the kitchen, like dining area, you eat. Wọ́n ń jẹun. Wọ́n ń ṣe. Wọ́n ń fọ abọ́, you wash the dishes after you finish eating. So after you finish eating, you take it to the sink and you clean them and wash them as responsible kids. Ẹ jẹ́ àtúntò ṣe o. Wọ́n ń se oúnjẹ, that means they are cooking food. Wọ́n ń gé carrots, that they are cutting carrots. Wọ́n ń jẹun, that means they are eating on the dining. Then wọ́n ń fọ abọ́, which is that means you're washing the plates there. Now, ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Now, a tún kọ́ nípa nǹkan tó máa ń ṣe ní ibi ìdáná. What are the things that we do, the verbs or the actions that we take in the kitchen? For example, sè, that's cook. Sè, that's cook. Sè, that's cook. Gé, that's cut. Gé, that's cut. Gé, that's cut. Jẹun, that's eat. Jẹun, that's eat. Fọ̀, that's wash. Fọ̀, that's wash. Again, sè, that's cook. Gé, that's cut. Jẹun, that's eat. Fọ̀, that's wash. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Next this week as well, we learnt about the things we find in the kitchen. Síbí, spoon. Abọ́, plate. Abọ́, plate. Asẹ́, sieve. Ọ̀bẹ, knife. Ọ̀bẹ, knife. Tábìlì oúnjẹ, dining table. Tábìlì oúnjẹ, dining table or eating table. Fíríjì. Fíríjì, that's fridge. Ìkòkò, that's pot. Ìkòkò, that's pot. Ife, that's cup. Ife, that's cup. Ẹ jẹ́ tútù ṣe o. Síbí, that's spoon. Abọ́, that's plate. Abọ́, that's plate. Asẹ́, that's sieve. Ọ̀bẹ, that's knife. Ọ̀bẹ, that's knife. Tábìlì oúnjẹ, that's dining table or eating table. Fíríjì, that's fridge. Ìkòkò, that's pot. Ìkòkò, that's pot. Ife, that is cup. Ife, that's cup. Now, ká tó lọ yá pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. A tún kọ́ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí, a tún kọ́ nípa garden, that's ẹ̀yìnkùnlé, ẹ̀yìnkùnlé, garden, ẹ̀yìnkùnlé or backyard. What are the things we do in the garden? Ọkùnrin ń sáré, the boy is running. Ọkùnrin ń sáré, the boy is running. Ọkùnrin ń sáré, the boy is running. Ọkùnrin ń gbin nǹkan, the boy is planting something. Ọkùnrin ń gbin nǹkan, the boy is planting something. Obìnrin ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Obìnrin ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Obìnrin ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. That means a girl is playing ball. Obìnrin is girl. Ball, gbá is kick. Àwọn ọmọ ń ṣeré níta. And àwọn ọmọ ń ṣeré níta. The kids are playing outside. Remember, we said baby is ọmọ or kids. Ṣeré is play. And àwọn ọmọ ń ṣeré níta. Again, what are the things we do in the backyard? Ọkùnrin ń sáré. Ọkùnrin ń sáré. Ọkùnrin ń sáré. That means the boy is running up and down. Ọkùnrin ń gbin nǹkan. Ọkùnrin ń gbin nǹkan. The boy is planting something. Obìnrin ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Obìnrin ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Àwọn ọmọ ń ṣeré níta. Àwọn ọmọ ń ṣeré níta. The kids are playing outside. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra ní ẹ̀yìnkùlé. What are the things that we'll do ní ẹ̀yìnkùlé? Sáré, run. Sáré, run. Sáré, run. Gbìn, plant. Gbìn, plant. Gbá, that's kick. Gbá, that's kick. Gbá, that's kick. Sáré, ṣeré, ṣeré, play. Ṣeré, play. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún sọ o. Sáré, run. Sáré, run. Gbìn, plant. Gbìn, plant. Gbá, kick. Gbá, kick. Ṣeré, ṣeré, play. A máa wo àwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń rí ní ẹ̀yìnkùlé o. Ẹní, mat. Ẹní, mat. Iyẹ̀pẹ̀, sand. Ilé ìta. Ilé ìta. Ilé ìta, that's a shed. Irúgbìn, stones. Irúgbìn, stones. Ìjókòó, that's a seat. Ìjókòó or a bench. Ìjókòó, bench. Ọkọ́, that's hoe. Ọkọ́, hoe. Ìgbálẹ̀, that's a broom. Ìgbálẹ̀, broom. Koríko, that's grass. Koríko, grass. Nǹkan ìṣeré, that's like a play area. Nǹkan ìṣeré, play area. Ẹ jẹ́ á tún sọ o. Ẹní, mat. Iyẹ̀pẹ̀, sand. Ilé ìta, shed. Irúgbìn, stones or stones. Ìjókòó, bench. Ọkọ́, hoe. Ìgbálẹ̀, that's broom. Koríko, grass. Nǹkan ìṣeré, play area. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ó yá nísìnyí a máa lọ sáwọn orin tá a kọ́ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí o. Ta ló rántí orin àkọ́kọ́ tá a kọ́kọ́ kọ́? Bàtà mi á dún kókóká. Bàtà mi á dún kókóká tí n bá kàwé mi. Bàtà mi á dún kókóká tí n bá kàwé mi. Bàtà mi á dún kókóká. Bàtà mi á dún kókóká. Bàtà mi á dún kókóká tí n bá kàwé mi. Bàtà mi á dún kókóká. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Ṣé ẹ rántí orin kejì tá a kọ́ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí? orí mi, èjìká, orúnkún, ẹsẹ̀, orí mi, èjìká, orúnkún, ẹsẹ̀, orí mi, èjìká, orúnkún, ẹsẹ̀, tìrẹ ni Olúwa. Orí mi, èjìká, orúnkún, ẹsẹ̀, orí mi, èjìká, orúnkún, ẹsẹ̀, orí mi, èjìká, orúnkún, ẹsẹ̀, tìrẹ ni Olúwa. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Orin kẹta tá a kọ́ ni ọmọ òwe ìpẹ́ dàgbà, ọmọ òwe ìpẹ́ dàgbà, kékeré jòjòló máa jẹ́ tèmi, kékeré jòjòló máa jẹ́ tèmi. Ọmọ òwe ìpẹ́ dàgbà, ọmọ òwe ìpẹ́ dàgbà, ọmọ òwe ìpẹ́ dàgbà, kékeré jòjòló máa jẹ́ tèmi, kékeré jòjòló máa jẹ́ tèmi. Ọmọ òwe ìpẹ́ dàgbà. Ó yá ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, ó yá ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́, well done. Now, ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà, a tún kọ́ nípa àwọn proverb Yorùbá. Àwọn proverb Yorùbá. Yoruba has a lot of proverbs which are wise words, which are words that actually affirm kids, that tell us about life and help us on how we should live our lives. The àkọ́kọ́ tá kọ́kọ́ kọ́ ni ilé la tí ń kó ẹ̀ṣọ́ ròde, charity begins at home. Ilé la tí ń kó ẹ̀ṣọ́ ròde, charity begins at home. The meaning is, take care of your family, show them love and be nice to them. Listen to mommy and daddy because they have all the wise things to tell you on how you should behave, on how you should be to grow up to be a responsible boy and girl. Well done. At the next proverb tá tún kọ́, proverb kejì tá kọ́ ni àkọ́bálẹ̀ ó fi gbogbo ara kígbe. Àkọ́bálẹ̀ ó fi gbogbo ara kígbe. To hit the ground and cry out with his whole body. The meaning is, when asking for help, ask politely and try not to be coy. When asking for help, ask politely and try not to be coy. Now, proverb kẹta tá kọ́ ni bí ẹṣin bá dáni gúnlẹ̀, á tún gùn ni. Tí ẹṣin bá dáni gúnlẹ̀, á tún gùn ni. If you fall off a horse, what you do is to reclimb it. It means don't give up if you don't get things right the first time. Keep trying and you will get it. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, ṣé ẹ jẹ́ á pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra wa o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ orin álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì wa. A, B, D, E, F, E, G, B, U, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Nísìnyí mo ti mọ álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì mi, ó yá wá kọ pẹ̀lú mi. Nísìnyí mo ti mọ álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì mi, ó yá wá kọ pẹ̀lú mi. Let's do it again. A, B, D, E, F, E, G, B, U, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, X. Nísìnyí mo ti mọ álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì mi, ó yá wá kọ pẹ̀lú mi. Nísìnyí mo ti mọ álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì mi, ó yá wá kọ pẹ̀lú mi. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, well done, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, kú iṣẹ́ o. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà, a tún kọ́ àwọn álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì wa. A bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú G. Garawa, garawa, bucket, garawa, bucket. Gúgúrú, gúgúrú, popcorn, gúgúrú, popcorn. Gèlè, 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 that's headgear. Again, garawa, garawa, gúgúrú, gèlè. Next one is gbí, gbọ̀ngbọ̀n, that's root. Gbọ̀ngbọ̀n, root. Gbàgúdà, 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 gbàgúdà. Gbọ̀ngàn, gbọ̀ngàn, that's stadium. Gbọ̀ngàn, stadium. Then next sound alphabet we have was he, which is horo, 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 hiho, hiho, horun, which is snore. Horun is snore. Hiho is sound the a boiling kettle makes. Horo is a narrow path. Horo is a narrow path. Àtúnkọ yeah, ife, ìwé, igi. Ife is cup, ìwé is book, igi is stick. Àtúnkọ jẹ́, jagunjagun, soldier. Jagunjagun, soldier. Jàgùdà, thief. Jàgùdà, thief. Jígí, spectacles. Jígí, spectacles. Jagunjagun, soldier. Jàgùdà, thief. Jígí, spectacles. Àtúnkọ ké, kọ̀ǹkọ̀n. Kọ̀ǹkọ̀n, sponge. Kọ́kọ́rọ́, that's key. Kẹ̀kẹ́, bicycle. Ẹ jẹ́ àtúnkọ alphabet wa o. A B D A F E G G O G U G G Q M N E O O P R S T U V W Nísìnyí mo ti mọ álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì mi, ó yá wá kọ pẹ̀lú mi. Nísìnyí mo ti mọ álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì mi, ó yá wá kọ pẹ̀lú mi. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, ó yá ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín o. Now, ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́, bá a ṣe máa ń la ṣe máa ń pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra wa. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ á tún tún ṣe o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ látàárọ̀, a ti ṣetán o. Well done for coming to the end of this week and the whole revision of all the things we've learned this week. Please don't forget to leave your comments and also don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button on the channel below. Ó dàbọ̀ o. Ó dàbọ̀ o.